This isn't just a Chevelle, this is a 402 big block street monster hiding under silver perfection. The sound of American muscle doesn't fade, it echoes. And few machines carry that echo louder than this 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle, a machine forged in the golden era when horsepower wasn't measured in restraint, but in pure, unapologetic presence. From the first glance, the stance tells the story. Silver paint glows under light like liquid metal, broken only by bold black racing stripes that stretch across its body like a warning. A black vinyl top seals the vintage silhouette, while chrome accents catch every reflection of the world around it. This isn't just restoration, it's preservation of attitude. At its core sits the legendary GM 402 cubic inch big block V8, a power plant built for torque-heavy domination. Paired with a factory-style carburetor, it doesn't whisper efficiency, it growls authenticity. Every press of the throttle delivers that raw, mechanical response only carbureted muscle can offer, unfiltered and alive. Bolted behind it, the Muncie 4-speed manual transmission turns every shift into an event. There is no automation here, no assistance, just the driver, the clutch, and the mechanical connection between man and machine. Each gear change feels deliberate, almost ceremonial, as the car surges forward through its 3551 geared 12-bolt rear end. It's built for punch off the line, yet still composed enough to cruise without strain. The stance is completed with SS-396 style wheels wrapped in BFGoodrich Radial T tires, a setup that perfectly balances nostalgia and grip. Up front, 235/15 tires bite into the pavement, while wider 255/60 R15 rears plant the power firmly where it belongs, on the road. Power steering keeps the experience controlled, while front disc brakes and rear drums bring that classic stopping rhythm that muscle car purists recognize instantly. Walk around the body and you see precision in restraint. Dual headlights sit beneath a factory-style grille, while hood pins hint at performance intent without needing to shout. The body lines are clean, doors and trunk operating with smooth confidence, as if the car itself has been tightened by time and care rather than age and wear. But the real transformation is beneath. Underneath this Chevelle, everything has been refreshed and rebuilt for confidence. A body color matched underside gives it a seamless finish, while a black painted frame anchors the structure. New bushings and Bilstein shocks refine the ride, bringing stability to a platform originally designed for rawness. Flowmaster mufflers define its voice, deep, aggressive, unmistakably American. New fuel lines, brake lines, gas tank, and parking brake cable ensure this machine doesn't just look ready, it is ready. Inside, the cabin preserves the soul of the era. Black vinyl upholstery wraps the seats in classic simplicity, while a factory-style steering wheel places control exactly where it should be. The manual shifter rises from the center console like a mechanical promise. Factory-style gauges, paired with subtle aftermarket enhancements, keep the driver informed without breaking the vintage illusion. Black carpeting, a matching dash, and a finished trunk with spare tire complete a space that feels authentic rather than over-restored. This is not a digital machine. There are no screens, no drive modes, no filters between intent and action. What you get is pure mechanical feedback. Engine, transmission, road, and driver locked into one rhythm. Offered through Vanguard Motor Sales with competitive financing, this Chevelle represents more than just a collector's piece. It is a rolling statement from an era when cars had character built into every bolt, every vibration, every shift of gear, and when the 402 big block comes alive through that Flowmaster exhaust, it doesn't just start, it announces itself. This is not nostalgia, this is dominance preserved.